Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming hardware and permissions. Make sure your headset firmware supports hand tracking and the cameras are unobstructed. Next, enable hand tracking in system settings and allow any camera or motion prompts. This gives the game reliable input. Launch Waltz of the Wizard and choose hand tracking mode. This switches input mapping from controllers to fingers and gestures. Once done, hold your hands in view and perform the calibration. Pose the game requests so tracking centers correctly before interacting with objects. You'll move from basic grabs to combined gestures. Pinch tightly to pick small items and spread fingers for larger grips. Open palm releases. For book pages or spell effects, swipe with a deliberate motion. Speed influences game response. Make sure you approach objects straight on and within the recommended distance. Proximity affects precision. If you need fine adjustments, slow down and micro-pinch near the object. Also, angle your hands slightly to avoid occluding fingers from the headset's cameras, so gestures remain consistent and responsive. To finish, polish control by tweaking sensitivity and lighting settings to reduce jitter. A lower sensitivity can stabilize small movements. If gestures fail, restart Waltz of the Wizard and run the hand calibration again. This often clears drift. Make sure headset cameras are clean and free of reflections. Shiny rings, watches, or glossy surfaces nearby will confuse sensors. If problems persist, switch briefly to controllers then back to reinitialize tracking. This sequence restores consistent input and lets you return to immersive spellcraft quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.